The Nigeria Center for Disease Control says it is supporting and providing a public health guidance for safe reopening of the National Youth Service core camps across the country. Mrs. Elsie Ilori, the head of Department, Surveillance and Epidemiology Department (NCDC), said this in Abuja at the Joint Presidential Task Force briefing on COVID-19.
We've all made plans. Our young ones have planned that they will go to camp. But unfortunately, it didn't happen because COVID-19 came and disrupted most things. So we have been working with the Ministry of Youth and Sports through the NYSC to put in place and strengthen the infection prevention and control capacity of the NYSC camps. Beyond this, we are going to support the NYSC with authorities to ensure prompt identification of COVID cases for treatment. We have also a self-reporting form that NYSC, the core members, will fill before they go to camp. The form will enable them to give their details ahead of their resumption, and this will give us a seamless process for sample collection. So every core member must fill this form before resuming. It's online. To make the process easier, we're going to provide step-by-step guide on how to go about this, as well as the guideline to stay safe while in camp. All of this we are doing in collaboration with the NYSC officials. Each NYSC camp will also have what is known as the IPC Vanguard. They will help to monitor compliance with the COVID-19 preventive measures to significantly lower the risk of infection. Last week, we actually carried out the risk assessment for the camp in Abuja, and that helped us to look at the gaps, looking at the guidelines that we had set up. And so that has helped us to refine the risk assessment tool, and this will be rolled out across the country this week. This tool will be used by state NYSC and surveillance team to evaluate the potential risk and promptly mitigate them. To ensure the safe reopening of camps, it is important that we work together collectively. Of course, the government cannot do it alone. It's a collective measure, is the collective action. We all have to take collective responsibility.